wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bowling pins. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, you can get everyone moving at your next get-together with the perfect Life Ideas Giant, an inflatable choice that encourages physical activity, coordination and balance. The plastic is flimsy though, so you might not want to set it out on terrain that's too rough. The pins are 2 feet tall and they're no trouble to store. However, they can be tiresome to blow up. At number 9, bring some elegance to your desk or coffee table with the shalinindia wood, a diminutive but functional option. The pieces are all handmade by artists in North India to high quality standards, so you can expect to enjoy this set for a long time to come. It includes a practical storage box that has a top inlaid with a ball and pin design, but it is expensive for the size. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For Shuffle Alley games, there's the Williams Bally Puck set of 10, which is made specifically for United and Williams puck bowlers. Of course, you could use them in other ways too, perhaps to create your own table activity or finish an art project. They're created from white plastic and sport red letters and detailing. However, note that this set's not for Chicago coin versions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling pins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if your kids are too young for a trip to the lanes, bring the excitement to them with the iplay ilearn foam, which is recommended for children ages 2 and up. Soft, lightweight and colourful, the pieces even feature numbers, so they encourage learning along with recreation. It includes 2 balls and would be a hit at birthday parties, but the foam could be sturdier. Moving up our list to number 6. You may want to paint or otherwise finish the factory Direct Craft toy set, because in its unfinished natural hardwood state, it's on the bland side. But it shouldn't take too long as the pieces aren't overly large, with pins that are only 5 inches tall. It's decorative but also playable and compact enough for travel. It makes an entertaining, customizable gift. Halfway up our list at number 5, you can jumpstart your little one's love of the game or improve hand-eye coordination with the Melissa and Doug Friends playset. It has 6 pins in the shape of cheery animals as well as a 4-inch ball, so it's ready to be enjoyed right out of the box. It includes a zippered carrying case and is good for ages 2 to 4. However, it admits a strong plastic smell. At number 4, for a truly genuine feel, you might try the numrich regulation, which will arrive in used condition and may be scratched, marked and even written on. This makes it excellent for a variety of sports-themed crafts projects, perhaps as a bookend or a trophy. It also works as a theatre prop and weighs about 3 pounds. But be aware that some can arrive cracked. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Party Direct full-sized can certainly be used to play a game or two, but because every order comes with a full set of 10, they might also make interesting party favors or keepsakes for a themed gathering. They're constructed from wood, so they can take some abuse. These are made in the USA and are good for indoor or outdoor use. They feel weighty in the hand. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling pins, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you can use the Champion Sports multicolor foam in the classroom, daycare center, or even the office to help everyone burn off some stress. Although they're foam, they stand up well thanks to a weighted design that's made for usability. You get 2 each of 5 colors and they stand nearly 12 inches tall. They're great for practicing. And taking the top spot on our list. Whether you own an alley or want authenticity at home, the Brunswick Max Colored bring a bright pop of magenta that will catch everyone's eye. And while they're certainly fun, they're made by one of the most reputable names in bowling products and are made to last. They also come in other colors and are good for under black lights. You get a complete set of 10. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling pins, or simply click beneath this video.